Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State of Florida. And welcome back to another Tool Time Thursday video. So today's Tool Time Thursday, I'm going over a tool that's a must-have if you have a manual transmission and you change your own clutch or you work on your transmission or change your clutch yourself. I've used this numerous times. As many of you guys know, I have a manual Hellcat. My buddy Ronnie, he has a manual Hellcat, and I have a couple other friends with manual cars. And my buddy Mark, he has a 302 that's a manual, so we're doing a bunch of stuff on his car as well. But he's been helping me out. He's learning. He's been a mechanic on aircraft for a long time, but working on his own car, he does it. But I encourage people to work on cars themselves. So let me show you the tool, and then I'm gonna show you the car, show you what we've been doing. So this is the tool right here. It's a Matco Tools FT23800, and pretty much what it is, it's a flywheel holder tool. So when you get the transmission off, you don't have to worry about getting someone to hold a nut on the crankshaft, not the crankshaft, yeah, the crankshaft pulley to hold it while you do it. This does the job, and I'm gonna show you. Me and Mark was using it. Usually I could do it by myself. You could prop it up or use, jam it against something and it'll hold and it works. But yeah, so this is what it is. It's pretty much, and it just goes like this, and it's pretty much just a flywheel holder tool, so you could loosen, tighten, and torque down your flywheel bolts, also the bolts on your clutch. So here it is. It's this 2013 Boss 302. We put in the clutch, a new McLeod clutch in it, and also a MGW shifter, which is pretty stout, just a beef unit. So yeah, just a quick Tool Time Thursday. Matco Tools FT23800. I don't remember the cost, and as you can see, he's been getting lots of usage. I said I've changed my clutch about 3 or 4 times. My buddy Ronnie clutch a couple of times, and now my other buddy on his Mustang. Going to there, can't see, but there it is. He has the new McLeod Stage 2 twin disc clutch.
Oh, son of a gun. You thought I was going to say son of a bitch.
Thursday, so you know what that means. Another Tool Time Thursday. This week, we're going to use the flywheel holder tool. And I'm not talking about a fly sitting on a wheel. This is the actual tool right here. This is a factory Hellcat clutch and flywheel assembly come as one. So what I use this tool, if you look at it right here, it has this point right here, and you hold it. It's this one's a Matco. As you can see, the part number right there. They make multiple ones, but I'm a Matco snap-on type of guy. So what this does is, when I'm breaking the clutch off, so the clutch is already off, not off, but the clutch is on this one. So on the Hellcat, you take these bolts out, and then you lift the clutch assembly. If I can get it off in here. So I take this, and just, of course this will still be on the car. And what I do, I use this, and I hold it on, locks down, and I hold it in place while I break the flywheel. Of course, I'm sure you could jam a screwdriver or something in there like that, but this is just way easier, and I could do it by myself with breaking all the stuff loose. Also, other than on manual transmission, we use this tool right here, the same tool, and see, I would put it right there, and we hold it. So he's holding it right there for me. So he's holding the flywheel because I already have it out of the car. Can't have it in, it's not in gear to hold it. So he got it right there, he's holding it. And I didn't have my my impact, so I got my big breaker bar. And what I do, as he pushed down on it, I don't got my tripod, so as he pushed down on it, I'm able to pull up on this and break this crank pulley bolt loose. So yeah, so that's the same tool, coming pretty handy on automatics. This is the first time using it on automatic since the engine's out, but I've never really used it on an automatic. I've only used it on a manual. So there it is, more than one tool. Come in handy again, having the right tool. I'm sure you could have wedged a screwdriver or something like that in there, but having the right tool makes a difference, right? I have a flywheel from my Honda days. This is from a K20. And same difference. So I've always been working on, I've only mostly have cars that's manual, other than the trucks and stuff like that, but yeah, this is where it comes in handy. Flywheel tool. If you think the car have a third brake pedal, you don't need this. You don't know what this is. That's the clutch. But yeah, quick tool time Thursday. So this was just a quick tool time Thursday. As usual, guys, thanks for checking out the videos. Stay tuned for the next video uploads and also another tool time Thursday upload. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching the vids. Peace.